Before the video starts, I wanted to do a quick disclaimer. Obviously, most people know how Amazon works. The prices fluctuate by the minute. These prices that I'm finding right now are the prices that I am seeing as I'm uploading. They could change by the time you watch this video. So please keep that in mind, and please keep your shipping dates in mind too. Those change by the minute as well. So to start things off, let's talk about this selfie ring light tripod stand. It is an amazing gift for all these teens out there that are into TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, making videos. You get a lot of stuff with this, a very sturdy tripod, and some other goodies as you've seen in that picture. It has different brightness levels from, very dim to super bright, from white to natural and warm. This ring light actually adjusts pretty neat compared to my really expensive one that I paid over $100 for. I mean, you can bend it to 45 degrees. It goes all the way around 360. I mean, you can position it just how you need it, which is awesome for this price. Here gives you a little idea of the size, so that is a great option. Another option that I think is super neat for myself and my daughter is a mini fridge. Now, she might like to keep some drinks in her room and think it's super cool. I, however, love to keep my skincare cold, especially when you put it on and it just plumps the skin. So this I thought was a really different but yet unique idea that would kind of excite me even to get. And it comes in right under $50. So if you have an Apple Watch, who doesn't nowadays, here's a really cool feature that I found on Amazon just to spruce it up a little bit. If you don't want like a chain or anything like that for the band, it just gives it a little sparkle. Here is another different one that has the word love. You can get them in different finishes from silver to gold to titanium. So I thought that was a really cool stocking stuffer idea. Another idea, of course, if you watch my channel, is at-home nails. Now, this is a gel set I'm showing you right here that comes with everything you need for under $40. You get beautiful colors that are very neutral, nudie tones, which are pretty popular for most people. The light that's in this kit is up to 48 watts, which is pretty dang good for the price. You need a strong light to cure the gel polish. You even get a matte top coat along with your standard shiny top coat. So if you liked that type of idea, and maybe you already have a light and you don't need all the stuff, here's another fun kit that includes 24 different colors. This brand Model ones I have used for a while. Quality of their products are just like a salon quality, but you get to do this on your own time for way cheaper. So this is a very good bang for your buck, I guess you could say. Another kit that I personally love and have myself is this nude set from Model ones. I love the nudie tones, I guess the neutrals, and it even comes with some glitters. Again, you can put a matte or a shiny top coat. Really wanted to mention a practice hand. This is a good tool, just a fun thing to do for maybe your younger girl that is getting into nails and she really wants to get creative and practice new techniques and work with new products. I mean, you don't always want to use your own hand, so why not have a practice hand? You can practice your shaping and everything. Even my younger daughter loves to play with this. And who knows, if they get good and it could benefit you, they could do your own nails and save you some money from going to the salon to get them done. So this next gift option is kind of like the last. If you have those younger girls that love to play with hair, that want to work on their braiding or their curling, or you can even color this mannequin's head because it's 100% human hair. It's got great reviews. They can practice on this and not have to worry about messing with your hair. Now this mannequin does come in different hair colors, and it even includes the tripod that the head goes on. So moving on, this is actually something I did purchase for my daughter. It's wrapped up, that's why I'm not showing you actual live footage, but it's a jewelry storage mirror. Now, the one I bought does have a light. This one does not because that one was already sold out, but you can get this in time for Christmas. It's adjustable. It stores so much jewelry, like it's making me want to buy one for myself for all my crap. But this is just a really good idea. I thought that would kind of be a fun little piece for her room. Another thing is a jewelry storage container. The acrylic is real popular right now. It looks great on vanities. I have this in this clear style and my daughter has it in pink. So for under $30, I mean, it's a really good gift that can help tidy up your vanity or bathroom. Speaking of vanities, for under $20, you can spruce up any vanity mirror, a full length mirror, your bathroom with these super cool LED lights. My daughter wanted a vanity in her room, but she could not afford the big expensive mirrors and the vanity setup. So we did a DIY project and built this vanity for her under $100. If you're interested, check out the video where I explain all the different type of vanities. But just showing you little clips of what it looks like. These lights are amazing. They were super easy to use and very affordable. Now, if you're not wanting to go through the hassle of putting lights on a mirror and you just want something done, then this lighted vanity is a great option. That's great quality and doesn't break the bank. It's not going to cost you hundreds of dollars. This is a great option at $120. You can adjust the lighting from warm to daylight. It's a pretty good standard size for most vanities. You even have a USB outlet that you can charge your phone with. Perfect last minute gift for Christmas, I think. So now we're gonna move on to these fuzzy furry slippers. I have ordered me a pair, I've ordered my daughter a pair. These are so soft and comfortable. Again, they're wrapped, so I can't show you, but they come in a ton of different colors. They have so many amazing reviews, so that's what led me to buy these. I'm not gonna spend $100 on those fancy UGG slippers. These cost me right at 20 bucks. Feel amazing on your feet, and I would be excited to get it, so I had to include this. This would be great for your mom, your grandma, your sister, your wife. I mean, whatever. This could fit anybody. So last but not least, I had to throw in some scrunchies. We all love scrunchies. They're great for your hair. They don't break it off. This pack includes a very high quality set of scrunchies in every color imaginable. They do have some good stretch. I've purchased these. They're all over my house, scattered around somewhere. But yes, a good stocking stuffer, a good last minute gift for your girl or yourself. That's pretty much it for this video. I wanted to keep it pretty short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hurry if you found something you liked. Get on Amazon, get it ordered. The prices change all the time, like I said in the beginning. And then also the dates may change. So I hope that you've gotten everything you need for Christmas and it gets there on time. And these gave you some just extra ideas. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next one.